So hey everyone, welcome back to the quick and very interesting tutorial where in this quick tutorial I'm going to show you how you can visualize currency values with historical charts in your browser without any software for historical data. Now in order to do it, all you need to do is to just simply open any of the browser you have, and here you have to search for xe.com. Just a simple URL, go to there and wait for the site to respond. xe.com. Once you open it, here it will ask you the amount of conversion from currency to which currency you want. There are multiple things available for you. You can go to the charts option to track the currency exchange rate chart over the year as well. So it's a very basic yet useful website that you can use to track the data or the currency exchange over time. Alright, so that's it for this tutorial. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for more such helpful and interesting tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.